Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Boulders. Extractor fan filters are often neglected and over time they accumulate grease and grime. Well, with the right cleaning products, a bit of patience and some added elbow grease, we can get those filters looking brand new again. Let me take you through the process. Firstly, remove the filters out of the extractor fan housing. Here you can see how greasy these filters have become. We're going to put these filters into a sink filled with hot water and ordinary dish soap. Our magic ingredient to remove the grease is a cup of white spirit vinegar. Let the filters soak in the solution for at least 30 minutes, but the longer you leave it, the better. Most of the grease should just come off, but you'll need to give it a good scrub with some bicarbonate of soda and a scouring pad. Keep on scrubbing till you have removed all the stubborn bits of grease and grime. If needed, use an old toothbrush or a scrubbing brush to assist with the process of removing the grease out of those corners. Now that the filter is nice and clean, allow it to drip dry. Then install the filter back into the housing of the extractor fan, and that is how you clean your extractor fan filters. For more maintenance tips, please go to our blog on our website, which is www.boulders.co.za. Get to Boulders, get it done.